Who out there is a nature lover? I am. Who would like to start their day with a morning coffee on your private back deck overlooking nature's paradise? Or maybe end your day on that same deck with a decaf tea, or maybe an adult drink. Hello everybody, my name is Bill Pozzaricki and I'm with the Pozzaricki Arpino team. And behind the camera is nobody. I am on my own today. So please be kind, work with me. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and hopefully I will see them and I will answer them as best I can. So I am going to turn you around here. Let me flip you. And we still are this way. Oh, there we are, right here. Hold on. There's the flip. Ha! So we are standing in front of a beautiful cape at 172 High Street in Chelmsford. I am going to take you inside, don't you worry. One of the nice things about the location on this home, it is just a stone's throw, depending on how much of a stone throw you are, to the Bruce Freeman Trail. Ooh, see the person walking right there? That's where the entrance to the Bruce Freeman Rail Trail system is. So a little quick 350 yard walk down there and you are on the trail. So again, we're at 172 High Street in Chelmsford. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1 half bath. Sit on just under 1 acre at 0.93. And it was built in 1930. And again, you're on a nice, kind of a picturesque country road here with easy access into Chelmsford Center or Westford Center. So we are gonna pop inside here. Just under 1,500 square feet of living area, all above grade. And let me come right in through the side kitchen here. There we are. So as we walk in, you're gonna see you have lots of windows in this kitchen. So you're gonna have bright, natural sunlight all the way through. Well laid out, solid counters, tile floor. And I'm just gonna swing around. And we're gonna see the entrance that we just came in. That is the entrance to the dining room. This is the door that we just came in from. You have a nice little eating area right here, right by the window so you can look out. And I'll swing back around this way. This is the door out. Again, both of these doors are French doors. That goes out to that nature's paradise that I was talking about, but we will bring you there to the end, so stick with us. So we're gonna swing back this way into the dining room area. You'll notice you're gonna have hardwood floors throughout the dining room and the family room when we go in that way. Again, this was built in 1930, and a lot of times these older homes, they did not skimp on the windows. So you've got 3 windows in here. And again, you're gonna bring in a lot of that nice natural sunlight. And I'm going to just swing around this way so you can see where we came from, which is the kitchen area. Again, in the kitchen with tile flooring and solid counters. And we turn back. And I'm gonna stroll into the family room. Again, with hardwood. Here is the front door that you most likely saw from the outside. The door we rarely use as homeowners. Back through to the living room. Again with the hardwood. They have their TV tucked right there in the corner. And I'm going to slowly make my way around so you get a good view of the room, can see where we came from. You've got a nice set of double windows right there. And as we look back towards the front door, and that is the dining room area. The staircase going up, but we will go up there after. Turn myself around. And as we look down this hall, this is the kitchen where we started. So I'm gonna pop right back in here. This is the door to the basement, which we're not gonna go down. But I do want to turn around and show you something that I probably should have showed you from the beginning. And there is a half bath right off of the kitchen with a convenient washer and dryer. So that's a nice feature to have versus going down in the basement. So now we'll come back out and back down the hall. To the left here is a closet. You can use it for whatever you want. They're using it as an extra pantry. And then as I swing this way, we're going to see the family room again, but also there's another closet right here in the hall. And we're going to see one of the best fun features here in this cape. This is your first floor master that runs front to back. Those are sliders that go out to that big deck that I talked about at the beginning. Don't worry, we'll get you there. And I'm gonna turn around this way. And you can see they have a nice fireplace. Double windows, recessed lighting. And along this whole wall, a bank of closet space. That is the door that we came in, and it shoots right down to the kitchen. And I'll swing back around. Again, a nice set of sliders that goes out to that big deck, so you can grab your coffee from the kitchen, come right back in here, and get to the deck that way as well as the kitchen. And the other nice aspect is you do have a full bath right off the master. Tile floor. Stand-up shower. Technically, it's a 3/4, but the bottom line is you have a main bath right off your main bedroom. So let's swing back around. We'll go down the hall, and I am going to go back through the family room, and we're going to make our way upstairs. So upstairs, we're going to find 2 more bedrooms that run the length of the house, as well as a full bath. So let's go to the right first. You do have another closet right here for extra storage. And as we walk in here, you get a nice window that's looking out over your backyard. Hardwood throughout the upstairs here. All in very good shape. And I'll swing us back around so you can see how this bedroom runs front to back. And another window down there. We'll go down the hall. Now this bedroom they're using as an office. You can use it any way you want. These bedrooms are big enough that when they run front to back like that, you can actually have a sitting area or an office and a bed in there. So you can really use it to fit whatever lifestyle that you have. Linda is watching. Hello, Linda B. And you can see the bank of built-ins that they have right there and extra storage in the closet area. So again, 2 nice bedrooms up here in this cape that run the full length of the house front to back. And you do have a full bath right in here. So that makes it convenient, and this bath's obviously servicing these 2 bedrooms. So let's swing around, go down the stairs. And I am going to go through the dining room area where we started, and I am going to pop out onto that deck. This house also has a whole house generator, and in 2021 they replaced the main roof and the rubber roof and shed. So no roof issues at this house and no power issues as you have a full generator powering the entire house. So as we come out onto this deck and into your backyard, you're gonna see you have a little pond back there. You can hear the birds yelling out there already. This deck measures 41 by 10. And you have this gorgeous tree right here that I absolutely love. And when this tree is in full bloom, it's spectacular. All these hardwoods back here, when they get their leaves, you won't be able to see anything except your own private little nature's paradise. All kinds of wildlife. They get frequent visits from deer, turkeys, all types of things. I'm gonna walk down here. That propane tank that you see right there, that powers your whole house generator. So as I walk down, you're gonna see the sliders to the right that are off the main bedroom. Just over the fence here is your side yard, and right down there is that Bruce Freeman trail. Rail trail, I should say. And I'll just swing back around so you can see everything else. I would climb that tree and back down our deck. So that is going to conclude our tour. I want to thank everybody for staying with us. We really do appreciate it. Again, this is 172 High Street here in Chelmsford. And there I am again. We are going to come on the market on Friday. Showings will run through the weekend. All offers will be due on Tuesday. This is being priced at $525. If you have any questions, please do reach out to us. We are going to repost this video on Facebook. So if you didn't catch the whole thing, you'll be able to see it up there. Once you're on our Facebook business page, if you like it, you won't miss any of our other videos that we do. Our real estate videos, along with we do videos of around town. This past summer, we did some videos of the lakes and trail systems in town. And we also do, and we're behind on it, we got to catch up, cooking videos. So we'll also cross-post this to our YouTube channel. And when you're there, please subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos as well. Thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you staying with us. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourselves and one another. Thank you. Bye-bye.